Let's go behind the scenes packaging Aritza's order. We first start off by using a heavy duty box and of course Scotch tape, which is absolutely the best. And for extra protection, we double layer the box with some cardboard, as you can see here. We place the product in the middle and stuff it with a bunch of packing peanuts. Nice and tight so it won't go anywhere. Your invoice, samples of course, and most of all, a beautiful thank you. Put that on top so it's the first thing that you see. More tape to seal it. And lastly, putting fragile stickers all around the box. Hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you in the next one.